heading into the airport fire station. We just got through the security gate.
We're gonna drive down the road.
This is so cool. All right, this car's got to be cranked up to 88 miles an hour. You're gonna see some serious.
Sitting out here on the hood of this truck, looking up at a caramel-colored sunset sky. Checking my watch, doing the
wander away. They get transit will pick up, and you know, in TSA, you know, they got to find something to do.
So I told Clay that I always wanted to be interrogated. So
Today could be your day.
Today could be the day.
Will those runway lights getting brighter? I'm just sitting out here watching airplanes take off and fly, trying to figure out which one you might be on.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going. Bye.
So that's the klaxon, that's the bell. So every time that there's an emergency, that's what will ring. It'll broadcast throughout the house.
That's pretty cool.
And wake everyone up.
Yeah. Yes. Can't miss that.
Right now I'm sitting out here watching airplanes. I would've lied, could've cried, should've tried harder, done anything to make you stay.
Liz, you're very quiet.
I'm multitasking.
She's a filmographer.
Literally doing two things at once right now.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
I wonder what you'd do if you looked out your window and saw me running down the runway, just like I was crazy, but that fence is too high, so am I. So I'm just sitting out here watching airplanes take off and fly.
Hey, good morning, Road Truck 230. Walking into this truck,
Buffalo-Niagara, so proceed on runway 14, hold short.
Oh, here's your luggage, Dale. Found it. Oh wow.
It did say he was supposed to.
He's gonna get.
Well.